It's our 3rd anniversary! Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon! And to celebrate this special day, we booked an overnight staycation at this beautiful destination in DRT Bulacan, here at Sleepy Shepherd. This is a 2.5 hours drive from Manila, depende pa sa traffic. Pagdating namin dito ay sinalubong kami ni Kuya Justin. In-assist niya kami sa pagbitbit ng mga gamit namin kasi pababa yung daan papunta sa property. Pero mga 2 minutes lang naman. Ang unique ng concept and nakaka-relax dito. Meron silang double bed and sofa bed that can accommodate a total of 4 adults. Equipped din ang kitchen nila with basic appliances and condiments, pati na rin cookware and utensils. Mabango and malinis ang bathroom, with basic toiletries, towels, indoor sleepers, and bathrobe. Sa labas naman ay maraming lounge area. May barbecue grill at dirty kitchen din. Meron din silang mini golf area and bonfire pit with overlooking view. Ayan, enjoy na naman ang bata sa mini dipping pool nila. This is not heated, FYI. Since no nearby resto, we brought and cook our food. Time to sleep na pero ang dami pa ring energy ng bata. Buti na lang stable ang internet so kasama pa din namin si Miss Rachel. The next day, we were blessed with good weather. After cuddle time, we continued to explore and enjoy the place. For small families who'll be visiting with kiddos, don't forget to bring your repellents, ha? And take note na since an even majority of the area, limited ang takbuhan ng mga bagets. Overall, we truly enjoyed our stay here. It was a one-of-a-kind and relaxing experience. And to those who also wish to visit Sleepy Shepherd, you may book them through Airbnb. Yun lang, see you on our next trip!